Hello viewers, welcome to Lex-Praxis channel. So I realized that one of the most common legal mistakes that entrepreneurs make is sharing their business strategy or even pitch their business idea to a prospective partner without a proper protection. Let me explain to you what I mean. Have you ever pitched your business idea to a trusted friend or a prospective partner? Or perhaps you shared your business idea with a friend and eventually you discover that that idea or business was launched by that same person. I'm sure you might have found yourself in such similar situation, or perhaps you are currently in such situation and you are thinking if there is a way out, a legal way out of this situation, because I'm sure you might be angry, feeling betrayed, and then you are confused. So here's the point I'm trying to make. It's advisable to ensure that before sharing your business idea or strategy or even model to a prospective partner, a non-disclosure agreement is highly recommended. And that is why in today's video, I'll be sharing with you the benefits of having a non-disclosure agreement and when to use a non-disclosure agreement. First, let me define what this agreement is all about. A non-disclosure agreement is a legally binding document which binds a party to an agreement or parties to an agreement from disclosing confidential information to an unauthorized third party without your knowledge and consent. In simple terms, confidential relationship, preventing parties to an agreement from disclosing such confidential information to a third party. And here's the fact, and here's the thing, it does not just prevent, it also protects your confidential information. And yes, it is considered as one of the most important documents in an agreement. You might ask me why? Why? That's because it acts as a legal shield over your company's assets, intellectual property, trademark secrets, and it protects your confidential information. Not just that, it ensures that your company's data remains private. So also, if at any point in time the company's data have been disclosed publicly, a non-disclosure agreement ensures that you can maintain a legal action as well as seek for monetary compensation and injunction reliefs. And very important, it ensures a legal boundary by clearly defining what type of information should be considered confidential, and it also ensures how this information should be used and shared. That brings me to the benefits of having a non-disclosure agreement. One of the benefits I find very fascinating is that it builds your confidence. It builds the confidence of the disclosing party. So it gives you the confidence to disclose your confidential information, knowing that the receiving party cannot take advantage of such information without legal consequences. Secondly, it does not just protect your confidential information, it saves the time and cost of bringing a legal action towards this person or against this person, especially when there is a legal breach. And thirdly, it defines the scope of the confidential information in the sense that it clearly defines, like I earlier mentioned, it clearly defines the type of information that should be considered confidential in that agreement. Now, you might be asking yourself, or might be pondering right now, or thinking right now, when do you use a non-disclosure agreement? A non-disclosure agreement is used when parties are about to exchange confidential information. Now, if you want to have a business conversation or discussion or negotiation, the law requires that to ensure that your confidential information are legally protected, you need to sign a non-disclosure agreement. So it comes in before any collaboration or before any business discussion or negotiation. And this is why you need a service of an expert lawyer who provides these services. So if you want to ensure that your business transactions are legally protected, it's very important for you to reach out to an expert lawyer. And that comes to an end of today's video. If you need the service of a lawyer or if you need a legal guidance on this subject matter, feel free to reach out to us through the contact details on the screen. And if this video helped you, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to Lex-Praxis channel for more practical legal guidance made simple for you. See you in the next video.